Wondering how tall your pergola should be? Most people either overdo it or they sell themselves short, literally. So let's talk about how to get the height just right for your pergola. Pergola height is not just about how it looks. It affects airflow, shade, privacy, and even how well it integrates with your home or business. Go too low and it feels cramped. Go too high and you lose that cozy, protected feeling. So what is the standard? Most pergolas fall between 8 to 10 feet tall. At Azenco, we typically start at 10 feet for residential builds, but for commercial projects or spaces with outdoor kitchens, we'll go even higher, sometimes up to 12 feet. This project is a great example. The pergola was designed with height in mind, not just for proportion, but to match the space's function and surrounding architecture. So when choosing a pergola height, here are a few things to consider. The roof line and architecture of your home or business, whether the pergola will be attached, freestanding, or built into the structure, local HOA guidelines or zoning restrictions, sight lines from your window or patio, and then there's also ceiling fans, heaters, or a fireplace chimney. And don't forget the footing, where you're actually going to attach the base of the pergola. This could be a little bit lower than your deck height, for example. One of the best things about aluminum pergolas is the design flexibility. Whether it's a motorized louvered pergola, a manual version, or a slatted roof layout, your certified installer can work with you to specify the height and layout of your specific needs. For more on how to select the right height for your pergola project, check out the link in the description below. And talk to your local Azenco dealer to get started, just like this happy customer did with Show Pros Florida.